Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the additional of not in today's newspaper. The newspaper of today is Monday, May the 22nd, 2023. I've told you there are no extra puzzles in today's newspaper, so I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles in the weekend edition. Well, the weekend edition of Saturday, May the 20th, 2023. In this additional, we have 3 puzzles left: the letter Sudoku, the stars Sudoku, and tectonic with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. In Japanese, a suguru. Yeah, let me start with the letter Sudoku. Letter Sudoku number 6474. 6474. And before I start, I always count the printed, in this case, letters. 27 printed letters. And for letter Sudoku, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. And the goal is to solve this word in the first row. The letters I can use are those letters, unique letters. The letters that I can use are the J, the A, the C, the K, the H, the T, the L, the P, and the O. It's a Dutch word. If I solve this, I will translate this in English. All right. So let's get started. All right. KK. Need a K here. H. L. We have an L in this column. L in the middle column. So the column next down, only 2 places left for the L. Should be here or there. We see an L in this row. No L there. L should be there. L. Okay. Oh. K. Well. T. The J, yeah. We have J in this row, J in the middle row, so in the row below, the only 3 places left for the J should be here, or there. You see a J in this column, no J there. Here, J in the middle column, so no J there. Only place left for the J should be there. Okay, L. Need a O, need a yeah. P. We have a P in this row, P in the last row. So in the row between, the only place left for the P should be there. C in this row, C in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places left for the C should be here or there. You see here, C in the middle column, no C there. C should be there. P, the H. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is the H. We have an H in the middle column, so no H in these 3 boxes here. An H in the middle row, no H in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the H in this big square should be there. So we have an H in this row, H in the middle row, so in the row below, the only 2 places left for the H should be here or there. We see an H in this column, first column, no H there. H should be there. H, okay. The 2 missing letters in this row for letters J is missing and a C is missing. J and a C. We have a C in this column, no C there. C should be here. And the J goes there. Alright. So we have a C in this row, C in a row, C in the last row, C in a row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the C should be here or there. We see a C in the first column, no C there. C should be there. C. J in the last row, J in a row above. So in that row, the only place left for the J should be there. Okay. O. Need an O here. L in the third column, L in the second column. So the first column, the only two places left for the L should be here or there. You see an L in this row, no L there. L should be there. L in this row, L in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the L should be there. Three missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters, the K. We have a K in this row, so no K in these two boxes. So one box left for the K should be there. So two missing letters in this big square for letters P and the A. P and A, we have a P in this column, no P there. P should be here and the A goes there. One letter is missing in this row for the letter. T is missing here. T, yeah. The T is missing. Alright. Let's see. K. Come on. H. P. And the letter L in this row, L in the row below. So last row, the only two places left for the L should be here or there. We see an L in the last column, no L there. L should be here. L in the last column, L in the column next. So that column, the only three places left for the L should be here or there. You see an L in the first row, no L there. Here an L in the second row, no L there. So the only place left for the L should be there. I think we have used all the L's here. Alright. Two missing letters in this column for letters. P is missing. And A is missing. P and A. PA. Let me mark those. Alright. H. The A. And the T is missing here. K is missing. C. Okay. Oh. Come on. Okay. I'm thinking. Well, the J here. Well, we have a pair, I believe. We have the O and the J in this column. The O and the J in the column next. So in the last column, the only three places left for the O and J goes in these three boxes. O and a J, O, J, O and J. And look, we have an O and a J in the first row. So no O and a J in this box. O and a J goes in those two boxes as a pair. Okay, so three missing letters now. T is missing here. T. C is missing. C. And K is missing. KK. K, C, and the T. And look, we have a K and a C in the last column. So no K and a C in this box. K and a C goes in those two boxes as a pair. So one letter is missing in this big square for letter T. T in the last column, T in the column next on that. In that column, the only place left for the T should be there. T in this row, T in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the T should be there. So two missing letters now in this big square for letters. A is missing. And A is missing. T and A. No. A and H. A and H is missing. A and H. Well, we have an H in one of these three boxes in this big square, H. So here can be an H, that box should be an H, this box should be an A. Okay, so two missing letters in this big square, the H, no, the A and the O, A and O, A-O, wait, here also the O, the K, and H, K-O-H, and look, with O and H here in this column, so no O and H in this box. O and H goes in those two boxes as a pair, O and H, O and H. We have a H in this first column, no H there. H should be here, and O goes there. So one letter is missing in this big square for letter K. Alright, K in the third column, K in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the K should be there. One box left in this first column for letter A. Alright, K and a C, KC, and the Sunshine Band. Yeah, KC. We have a K in the first row, so no K there. K should be here, and a C goes there. So two missing letters now in the first row for letters. P is missing and A is missing. P and A, P and A. Well, I cannot fill this yet. P and the A, P-A. Here we have also a P and A. T in this column, T in the middle column, so the column next down. Need two places left for the T should be here or there. We see a T in this row, no T there. T should be there. How about the K? K in this row, K in the second row. So in the third row, the only two places left for the K should be here or there. You see a K in this column, no K there. K should be there. Two missing letters in this middle column for the letters O and the A. O and A. We have A in this row, no A there. A should be here, and O goes there. Two missing letters in this big square for the letters. K is missing, and P is missing. K and P. We have a K in this column, no K there. K should be here, and the P goes there. P and A, we have a P now in this column, no P there. P should be here, and A goes there. Solution, in Dutch, it's klopjacht. Klopjacht. In English, I've translated this manhunt. Manhunt. Yes. In 12 minutes. Well, all right. Let me continue. A and O. We have an A now in this column. No A there. A should be here, and O goes there. O in this column, O in the middle column, so the column next down, only place left for the O should be there. O and a J, we have an O in this second row, no O there. O should be here, and a J goes there. Alright, two missing letters in this big square for letters C and H. C and H, we have an H in the third row, no H there. H should be here, and a C goes there. One letter is missing in the middle row for the letter O. Two missing letters in this big square for the letters. P is missing, and the T is missing. P and a T. We have a T in the second column, so no T there. T should be here, and the P goes there. Two missing letters in the second column for the letters. A is missing, and the letter J is missing, I believe. Yeah, A and the J. We have a J in the second row, no J there. J should be here, and A goes there. P and A, we have an A in the second row, no A there. A should be here, and a P goes there. Final two missing letters in this big square. For letters, P is missing, and C is missing. P and C. We have a C in the third row, no C there. C should be here, and the P goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Well. I'm well pleased with the time. Yeah, because I thought maybe I need 15 to 20 minutes. Well, 50 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. The video, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in the evening in a minute with the other two puzzles. Sudoku with 0 stars and a tectonic with 1 star. Until then, bye bye for now.